When the rain falls from the sky, don't you fret, don't you cry. Just put on your boots and go outside. Jump in puddles and go wild, and release your inner child. And then you won't feel so blue anymore. When the temperature is falling and the weather is appalling, it's good to stay indoors sometimes. To read a book or watch a film, to sing a song or play some tunes, or just to sit by the fire and doze. So when the winter time has come and you're feeling rather glum, don't forget to smile and sing and dance. Paint some pictures, bake some cakes, talk to friends, skate on lakes, and make the most of it while it lasts, while it lasts. Make the most of it.